I've had a real, I would say, misfortune, but really it is a real fortune, I think, to be a friend of Pete Manansala. We were classmates in high school, and we rediscovered each other in 2009, I believe. Matter of fact, he found me. He was trying to get to locate his old classmates from UP High School, and he found me among many other classmates and convinced me to join him to return to the Philippines in 2010 to have a reunion with our old high school classmates. And ever since, I've enjoyed my life really for the first time. A great friend.